when he hears that fire alarm. Sam is always cool and calm. If you're stuck, give him a shout. He'll be there to help you out. So move aside, make way for Fireman Sam, 'cause he's gonna save the day. Fireman Sam, 'cause he's brave to the core. Sam is the hero next door. If there's trouble, he'll be there, underground or in the air. Fireman Sam and all the crew, they'll be there to rescue you. So move aside, make way for Fireman Sam, 'cause he's gonna save the day. Fireman Sam, 'cause he's brave to the core. Sam is the hero next door.
Such happy times we had in the regiment. I must say, I looked rather splendid in my uniform. And Idris, what a magnificent goat you were.
Duty roster's sorted, sir.
Very good, Sam. So, what do you think of this, Sam? Huh?
Oh. Well, he's a fine-looking creature.
Ah,
The finest. That was Idris. Pride of the Royal Welsh Fusiliers. My old regiment. Ah, Idris. They don't make mascots like him anymore. You know, we could do with a station mascot like that. Yes. That's a splendid idea I've had there.
Oh.
See to it, Sam.
Oh.
We'll have a mascot that's the pride of Pontypandy. A brave, noble creature. The best beast in Wales.
Seems Dusty's got an itch.
Oh, he's not the only one. Oh,
You've got me going now.
Do you mind scratching like that? Customers will think I'm inspected with fleas.
Sorry, Dillis.
wow! Uncle Sam wants a mascot for the fire station.
A four-legged mascot, mind, so don't get your hopes up.
We've the perfect dog for the job.
Bye.
Morning, Tom.
Good day, Mike. Thanks for stopping by.
So, what's the problem?
This thing's been making funny noises. Ah!
Did it sound like this?
Not exactly.
Don't worry. Probably just needs retuning.
Oh, ow!
Oops. Butterfingers. And toes.
Look, mate, perhaps we can sort this out some other time.
No time like the present. Now off you go and polish up that helicopter of yours.
Well, I'll be just outside if you need me.
Don't worry. What can possibly go wrong? So, you reckon Dusty'd make the perfect station mascot?
With a little training, yes.
You got no chance. Not against my prize pet.
Norman, if Station Officer Steele sees that lamb of yours...
He'll make him station mascot straight away.
Great fires of London. He's gobbled all our geraniums. Oh, get that sheepskin dustbin away from my station.
He only eats when he's nervous. It's the thrill of the competition.
Bet Norman feels sheepish. By the way, have you seen Mrs. Lasagna's cat anywhere? She thinks her Rosa would make a perfect mascot and... Yow! Sorry, sir. What was that? I said that's another animal disqualified. Seems Dusty's got a good chance to be mascot.
Yeah.
Provided he's washed and cleaned.
You mean Dusty needs a...
Bath? Sorted, Uncle Sam. I found this old tin bath in the shed.
Right, Uncle Sam. 3, 2, 1, go!
Right. Come on, it's only water.
Michael, my boy, when it comes to plumbing, you are hot stuff. Oh, yes. Hot, Hot stuff, I'm hot, hot stuff. I'm as hot as the hottest of the very hot stuff. Oh,
Good boy. Nice, Vicky. Come on. Come on, boy,
well,
this
kids,
way.
is he wet yet?
Come on.
Almost, Uncle
Come
Sam.
on, boy,
Any
this
second. Now. Oh. Hey, Dusty, come back.
Oh, Dusty.
Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's Norman Price. My bad.
Oh, phew. Ah. Ah!
Oh, no. What have I done? Oh, no, this is serious. Ah, no. This is the life. Can't beat relaxing in Pontypandy Park. Ah!
Trevor, are you all right?
I'm fine. What happened? Was it a football?
No, actually, a flying dog.
Well, good job that flying dog landed on my tongue before I'd had my corned beef and piccalilli on it. Hey, hang on. Flying dog?
We've lost him.
We can't have. I'm sure I saw Dusty run down here. There he goes.
So he sang as he watched and he waited till his belly boiled. You'll come a waltzing, but flaming koalas? Fire! Oh, I'm weak. I can't breathe.
Lummy, I better go and get Sam.
Mountain Rescue to Station Control. Mayday.
Do you copy?
Station to Mountain Rescue. What's your problem? Over. We've got a fire at Mountain Rescue. Over. Roger. On our way. Over.
Uncle Sam!
They must be heading for the mountain rescue station. Come on.
You can leave it to us now, Tom. But Mike's still inside. Okay, I'm going in. I've got you, Mike. Houses on the roof, men.
I reckon we caught this fire just in time.
And damp down that fuel tank, too, in case of sparks.
Sorry, Tom.
Still, by way of apology,
I'm knocking 50% off your bill. I see someone else got us soaking.
Seems Dusty had a bath after all. Dusty, look this way. Can someone do something to make him look at my camera?
Do you want a yummy sausage?
Oh, Dusty.